Over 50 million shillings will be used to renovate Kasese Municipality Health Center 3, the Rotary Club of Kasese has announced. The announcement was made as the Rotary Club joined the rest of the world to commemorate World Polio Day held at Kasese Health Center 3 with activities such as immunization drives led by Rotary members. According to Rotary Club President, she said the initiative aims to improve healthcare services and strengthen the fight against polio in Uganda.
Rotary Club of Kasese celebrating our World Polio Day, attend of launching a project. The signature project y'omwaka guno nga ya renovating staff house, staff quarters z'aba nurses ne midwife abe Kasese Health Center 3 for people. Then no renovating obuliri bw'abalwadde baba maama abakava okuzaala mu maternity ward.
Meanwhile, Kasese Municipality Health Center Officer Dr. Muhindo Joy urged expectant mothers to attend all antenatal visits and ensure their children are fully immunized. She noted that some mothers still skip immunization, leaving children vulnerable to preventable diseases such as polio.
I encourage pregnant women to make sure that they start antenatal early in pregnancy and partake of the packages that are given during pregnancy. So whenever you hear an opportunity of immunization, please do so. It's a way of preventing immunizable diseases.
The in charge of the facility, clinical officer Asinja Mariam, thanked the Rotary Club for their continued support to the health sector. She revealed that the health center had long needed renovation, and with Rotary's intervention, both infrastructure and service delivery are steadily improving.
I'm very happy for what the Polio Rotary Club has done for the facility. It has taken 2 items, renovating our staff house and also dressing our mattresses, patients' mattresses in our inpatient department.
The event was graced by the Rotary District Governor of Uganda, Moses Mugisha, alongside other officials. Items such as soap, mattress, and other household essentials were distributed to community members. As the Rotary Club continues its mission to serve humanity, its efforts in Kasese stand as a reminder that small acts of generosity can make lasting impacts in communities. The renovations are expected to transform healthcare delivery and further Rotary's global goal, a world-free polio.
Polio now. End polio now.